Good morning, my dear students. Okay, today my topic is highest common factor, that is HCF. Okay, in order to find highest common factor, there are two methods. Okay, first method is by prime factorization method and second one is by division method. In my today's video, I will tell you about prime factorization method. So there are two steps to find HCF of the number by prime factorization method. First step is you have to resolve the number into its prime factors and write in form of index notation, right? And the second step is you have to choose the number with smaller index. इन प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन मेथड फर्स्ट स्टेप में आपने अपने नंबर को प्राइम फैक्टर्स में रिजॉल्व करने के बाद उसको इंडेक्स नोटेशन में राइट करना है. देन यू हैव टू चूज़ द कॉमन फैक्टर विद smaller index. Choose the number, not choose only the number, choose the common number. Choose the common number. Common number mean the number that is factor of both numbers. जो दोनों में आ रहा हो, जो दोनों में सेम हो, दैट इज़ नोन एज कॉमन. आपने कॉमन नंबर्स में से वो नंबर चूज़ करना है जिसका इंडेक्स स्मॉलर होगा, जिसकी पावर स्मॉलर होगी. इज़ इट क्लियर? सो लेट्स टेक एन एग्जाम्पल. फाइंड HCF ऑफ 18 and 30. Right, my first step is to resolve the number into its prime factors and then write it in form of index notation. So in my rough column I am going to take prime factors of 18 first. You have to write the prime factors of 18. So in my rough procedure I am going to resolve the number into its prime factors. 2 9 times 18 and 3 times 9 and 3 1 times 3. So my prime numbers are factors are 2 into 3 into 3 and index notation is 2 into 3 power 2. Mean 2 is 1 time and 3 is repeating 2 times. So 2 power 1 mean 2. So prime factors of 18 in index notation are 2 into 3 power 2. Is it clear? Now I have to write the prime factors of 30. In first step, prime factors of 18 in index notation. Now you will write prime factors of 30 in index notation. So in my rough procedure, I am going to resolve my number into its prime factor on table of 2, because if the last digit is 0, the number is divisible by 2 easily. So 2 15 times 30 and 15 is divisible by 3 5 times 15 and 5 1 time 5. Okay, mean you will take only prime numbers here. 2 3 5 7 11 13, right? You are bound to take prime numbers here, not composite number. So 2 15, the numbers in index notation are 2 power 1, 3 power 1 and 5 power 1. Mean 2 is 1 time, 3 is also in 1 time and 5 is also in 1 time. So 2 power 1 simply mean 2. Power 1 can be ignored. 2 power 1, 3 power 1, 5, mean you can write it as 2 into 3 into 5. Is it clear? Now my next step is to choose the common factors. But which common factor? That has the smaller index. Mean common. You can see that 2 is a factor of 18 and 2 is a factor of 30 also. And which one is the smaller index? Both are same. 2 power 1 and 2 power 1. 2 भी एक ही दफ़ा है यहाँ पर और यहाँ पर भी 2 की पावर 1 ही है. मीन 2 एक ही टाइम है. So common factor with smaller index 2 आ गया. एंड देन 3 power 2 and 3 power 1. 3 power 2 and 3 power 1. Which number has the smaller index? 3 power 2 or 3 power 1? 3 power 1. 3 power 1 are simply, you can write it 3. 3 power 1 का मतलब 3 ही होगा. And the next number is 5. I will not write 5 over here. Why? Because 5 is not common. It is not a common factor. 5 is the factor of 30 only, it is not the factor of 18. So I will not write 5 over here because I have to write the कॉमन फैक्टर्स विद स्मॉलर इंडेक्स, जो दोनों में होंगे. आपने HCF में हमें सिर्फ वही लिखने हैं जो दोनों में होंगे, और वो लिखने हैं जिनकी पावर, इन दोनों में से जिसकी इंडेक्स स्मॉलर होगा, जिसकी पावर स्मॉलर होगी, वो आपने यहाँ पर लिखनी है. जैसे 2 और 2, इन दोनों की तो पावर सेम है, वो तो 2 ही आ गया. लेकिन यहाँ पर 3 की पावर 2 है और यहाँ पर 3 की पावर 1 है. किसकी पावर स्मॉलर है, किसका इंडेक्स स्मॉलर है? सो द इंडेक्स of this number is smaller, 3 power 1. I will write 3 1 here. So it means 2 into 3. 2 into 3 mean you will multiply them 2 3 times 6. So HCF of the number is 6. Is it clear?